my name's Rebecca and I'm the world's best beauty therapist for 2019. We flew out, I think it was the 19th of August. We had a couple days where we did the opening ceremony. We did like a familiarisation, we went out and did like a excursion, stuff like that, and then we were competing for 4 days. So it was 2 full days for me and 2 half days. I did a bit of everything, so it was massage, nails, lashes, makeup, hair removal, just a mixture of every beauty therapy skill you could do. And then after that we had the closing ceremony. We had a few little parties and just a celebration to say that we'd done it. But yeah, that was it, and then we flew home. We had 3 or 4 judges per area, so I was in a group of 6, and these 3 judges would walk around while we were doing the treatments, and they'd have their own marking scheme and they'd tick off if we'd done something, and then we had to call them over if they want to check something, and then again they tick it. So it was a judge from each country just to make it fair, so they'd only judge everyone else, not their competitor. So they'd call up the top 3. So they call up just your countries and you have to go onto the stage and you're standing there waiting for them to announce 3rd, 2nd and 1st. So Korea was 3rd, she went on, and me and China were standing there. We had no clue, and then obviously they called China, so then I realised I'd won. And it was crazy. And I studied the hair, theatrical makeup and beauty course. So that was 2 years, and then I decided to go into beauty because I preferred it a little bit more. So I did my level 3 in beauty. That was 2016 when I left, and then I just kept coming back to train. Basically the college let me use the facilities and stuff to just train for world skills. We've done so well here competition wise for I think 5-6 years, something like that. So obviously they've been doing something right. Yeah, I came here because I know it was a good college. I knew I had other options. I wasn't even from Lewes. It took me 2 hours a day to get here. I had to leave at 7 in the morning to get here at 9 o'clock, just because I knew it was a better college. I didn't want to settle for something average. I wanted to push myself because I know that they produce such lovely therapists, and obviously with Kaya, who won before me at the other competition, you could see that they do really well.